Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will solve this problem of mensuration 2D. It says in an isosceles triangle ABC, AB equal to AC equal to 17.5. This is AB, that is 17.5, and AC is 17.5, and BC, this side is 21 centimeter. Now infinite circles are made inside this triangle as shown in the figure. So these triangles are infinite triangles. So now you have to find the sum of the perimeter of all the circles. What is perimeter of a circle? That is circumference. Circumference of a circle of radius r is equal to 2 pi r. Now let's take the radius of this triangle as r1, this circle as r1, the next circle as r2, and like that. So the radius of the circles are r1, r2, r3, r4, and like that up to infinity, because there are infinitely many circles. Now what is this? This is total, this is the diameter of this circle, so this is 2r1. Now what is this? This is 2r2. What is this? This is 2r3. So now what is the circumference or perimeter of the first circle? The circumference or perimeter of the first circle, that is equal to 2 pi r1. The second circle, that is equal to 2 pi r2, and like that. So if we add the perimeter, sum of perimeters, that is equal to 2 pi r1 plus 2 pi r2 plus 2 pi r3 plus like that. So now take pi common and you get 2r1 plus 2r2 plus 2r3 plus like that up to infinity. Now from this figure, what is 2r1? 2r1 is the diameter of this circle, 2r2 is diameter of the second circle, 2r3 is the diameter of the third circle, and like that. So if we add all the diameters, you get the height of the triangle. So this sum of these diameters is equal to height of the triangle ABC. Now let's find the height of the triangle ABC. So this triangle is an isosceles triangle. So this is our 17.5, this is 17.5, and this is 21. Now in isosceles triangle, how you find the height? So you draw this height, this altitude, this is 90 degree. Now this is b by 2, half, that is 21 by 2. So what you get? You get here, this is our hypotenuse, this is a right angle triangle. So hypotenuse is 17.5 squared equal to, this is 21.2 means 10.5. So you get 10.5 squared plus height squared. This is our h. This is the Pythagoras theorem. What is Pythagoras theorem? So by Pythagoras theorem, I do it here. So what is Pythagoras theorem? In a right angle triangle, this is our right angle A, B, C. Then C square is equal to A square plus B square. This is our Pythagoras theorem. So here by Pythagoras theorem we get this. Now 17.5 squared minus 10.5 squared is equal to 8 square. Now here we apply the formula of A square minus B square. What is that? A square minus B square is equal to A plus B into A minus B. So we will apply this. We don't do the squares, we will apply this. So 17.5 plus 10.5 multiplied by 17.5 minus 10.5 that is equal to h square. Now this add this, you will get 28 here and you will get 7 here, that is equal to h square. Now factorize, don't multiply, factorize. It is 4 into 7 is equal to h square. So here you get 2 into 2 into 7 is equal to h square. So now what is h? H is 2 into 7. That is h is equal to our 14 centimeter. So now we need, what we need? Find sum of the perimeter of all circles. What is this? This was our pi into h. Pi into h. What is pi? 22 by 7 approximate, and h is 14. So now we get 22 into 2, that is equal to 44 centimeter. This is the answer. The sum of the perimeter of the all circles is 44 centimeter. Thanks for watching.